हेलो, वेलकम बैक टू एस पी वीडियो। रात को तो उल्टा करके फिर भी मुझे ये वीडियो बनानी थी, क्योंकि जस्ट इन केस मेरा वॉइस अगर अच्छे से नहीं आ रहा है तो बियर विथ मी। टुडेज वीडियो ऑन रिव्यूज ऑफ द परफ्यूम दैट आई रिसेंटली परचेस्ड फ्रॉम नायका। I actually know which perfume I wanted to take. Actually, I went to the store. I went to Nykaa store and मैंने ऑलरेडी वहाँ पे चेकआउट किया था कि कौन सा सेंट जो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा। और मैंने चेक किया ऑफलाइन नायका स्टोर से, तो आई फील ड्रास्टिक डिफरेंस इन ऑनलाइन, बिटवीन ऑनलाइन एंड ऑफलाइन। तो मैंने ऑनलाइन प्राइस भी चेक किया था कि कितनी है, तो आई गेस ऑफलाइन प्राइस बहुत ज़्यादा जा रही थी ऑनलाइन से। तो मैंने डिसाइड किया कि क्यों ना थोड़ी सी बचत हो तो अच्छा ही है। तो लेट्स टेक from Nykaa app. So directly let's jump into the video. I purchased one combo and I got 4 perfume in one combo. Okay, let me fix my mic first. And yes, I got 4 different perfumes. Of course it's different. It's so crazy. I feel still nervous speaking in a different language in front of people, not in mother language, in a different language. My first one is Moi by Nykaa, from Moi by Nykaa, and the name is Raison de I don't know how to pronounce this, sorry. But yeah, this is kind of, and let's see. Yeah, it smells so good. This is like tick tick आवाज आ रही है. Let's do some ASMR. It has note of sweet, something sweet, rose, vanilla, and kind of some musk and vetiver. Vetiver is a plant that gives you earthy woody scent. Like, it's really strong smell. Yeah, it's so feminine scent, and it's strong smell, I would say. After so long time I purchased this, I used to use this a lot. Second one I got, this is Fleur, and here is given description also: for the woman whose inner spirit in her compass, Fleur opens with a heady blend bergamot, tea, osmanthus, and then intermingle with a sweet bouquet of flower notes. After getting off the sweet start, settled into cozy embalmers and patchouli to leave you feeling this plus yeah, this is okay. It start notes with bergamot. uh, yeah, bergamot is a flower that gives us so nice smell, and or osmanthus flower tea also. Yes, osmanthus flower tea, and when it settles down, you that will gives you some kind of musky smell. And patchouli, patchouli is basically plant which gives you woody, earthen woody smell. And yes, it's kind of that I'm holding right now, big bouquet, sweet bouquet, and that it has a lots of flower in bouquet, and I'm like smelling it all over. Yes, kind of. This is the perfume. And third one is Joy de Vivre, and one of my favorite perfume, affordable, in affordable range, affordable perfume. And this is Joy de Vivre. I loved it so much. Uh, let's describe the notes. I don't know how people doing this. All that giving all the description like a top note, middle note, base note. Like, hats off to them. And how could you, like, guys, you're so good. Okay, let's describe. It has citrusy scent mixed up with woody, fruity, aromatic scent. It making smell like bright, elegant, and attractive. It is not a floral perfume, guys. It is like aqua fresh, that जब भी हम बीच में जाते हैं तो बीच में कैसे फ्रेश लेते हैं. इट्स लाइक फ्रेश, लाइक fresh water. Or I am going on the beach, and that gives you so cozy vibes and like refreshing all the time. Yeah, kind of. It is aqua fresh guys. It is mostly we are on summer days, हम summer days में इसे बहुत ज़्यादा पहन सकते हैं क्योंकि it gives you so refreshing vibe. Yeah, that's I love it. Yeah, last but not least, मुझे ये सेंटेंस बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. Last but not least means its name is a matin and matin means morning in a French. Yeah, let's describe. So आपको आइडिया आया होगा मॉर्निंग से कि ये किस टाइप का परफ्यूम होने वाला है. तो इट हैज़ अ सेंट ऑफ bergamot or kind of small rose, magnolia, and when it settles down it gives you musky, some kind of woody notes to you. It's like a it is also refreshing scent. ये भी refreshing scent है but it's not like a aqua scent. Okay, it's floral scent, floral like a subtle scent, and it's not overpowering at all, not a strong perfume at all, but it's like subtle kind of soft wood, gives you woody notes and musky notes. Wow, this is like a, but it's fresh and refreshing perfume. Like yes, that's all. I was kind of fan of floral perfume, but now I prefer fresh perfume. I like to wear main perfume also, no shame in it. Yeah, yes, but this perfume will last 5 to 6 hours. If you want to stay more on your body, then you have to reapply it. आई डोंट थिंक सो मैंने इतना अच्छा डिस्क्राइब नहीं किया है नोट्स वगैरह, टॉप नोट, मिडल नोट, बेस नोट, बट आई होप आपको समझा होगा. और ये सब अफोर्डेबल रेंजेस के परफ्यूम्स है. ऑफ कोर्स आपने इसे ट्राई किए होंगे ऑफ कोर्स, एंड मुझे प्लीज़ कमेंट डाउन में बताइए कि इनमें से आपका फेवरेट कौन सा है. जैसे कि मैंने बताया कि Joey the Waver is my favorite. So let me know what's your favorite. Comment down below. And tada bye bye.